any more questions for me? Or any more thoughts?
Roughly how many, not people, but roles would be included in just to make one of those play areas?
So like the whole process, so are you talking about like sales,
Yeah.
marketing,
Okay.
finance?
That's really good. So I'll try and do this in order. So before we can have a meeting, we need to have some form of interaction with the customer that has to be generated in some way. And we generate our enquiries or our contacts through marketing. So we might send an email campaign. So we might send a load of emails out with a specific topic or a product that might be of interest to some people. To move on from what marketing then generates is an enquiry. Kelly and Josh would then hopefully get all these enquiries in on the telephone or on an email, and then we go ahead and we then put it through to our operations team. So then they will manufacture it and pallet it up, if you like. So that's all part of the same process. Delivery. So delivery driver Andy.
So it would be setting up.
Install, yeah, set up. Step 9 would be sign off. And step 10 is invoicing the accounts.
Massive steps as well.
Yeah. And then a lot goes on within those steps, doesn't it? You know.
It's like in one step, like loads of work goes into
And
it.
it costs an awful lot of money to get through all those steps as well. There's an awful lot of people involved.
My favourite of all time, and I'm a bit biased at this, is got to be the graphic design. Just because it's something that I'm very passionate about personally and something I definitely want to get into when I'm older.
You know, like the big machines.
I think we all like that.
Yeah. Mine's probably how they get it on the forklift and onto the lorry.
Okay. So more sort of, again, using different machines to get it from one place to another.
I really like how they cut with the big saw and they cut the wood in half.
Okay, so the chop saw that they were cutting some timbers for, I think they were end panels for something, weren't they? They were tongue and groove panels.
Yeah.
My favourite machine that was in nice, you know, like the one with the saw drills and all that. You know,
The massive.
The big one.
Yeah.
that.
For the designing.
The designing.
Yeah.
So I think I could get into it easier. About design playgrounds, I could easily come up with a new design and stuff like that. So I've already got a design in my head
Have you?
and stuff like that.
Excellent.
You're just going to want to climb at the end, aren't you? That's that's going to be the installation is going to be the one for you, isn't it?
Well, guys, thank you so much for coming in to see us today. We really enjoyed your company.
No, thank you for having us. It's been a real learning journey, hasn't it?
Thank you for coming and being so good and asking so many really good questions. I'll make a point of coming to the school actually, and I'll come and see you all again once it's in. I can't wait to hear all about the new play area. You're going to go back and share that knowledge then with your friends at school?
Yeah.
And tell them all about it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe someone can stand up in assembly.
Not really.
Not me.